Here's a famous-looking problem often associated with Harvard entrance exam-style mathematics. The square root of x plus the square root of x minus 9 is equal to 9. In solving the equation, can we simply square both sides of the equation and proceed to solve for the value of x? Or are there other ways to solve the problem? Let's find out. First, we square both sides of the equation. On the left-hand side, we apply the square of the sum of a binomial. Recall that the square of a plus b can be expanded as a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Therefore, we have the square of the square root of x plus 2 times the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x minus 9 plus the square of the square root of x minus 9 equal to 81. Simplifying the square roots, we obtain x plus 2 times the square root of x multiplied by x minus 9 plus x minus 9 equal to 81. We can simplify the expression inside the square root by multiplying x by x minus 9. This gives us x squared minus 9x. Therefore, we have 2x plus 2 times the square root of x squared minus 9x equal to 90. Next, subtract 2x from both sides. We get 2 times the square root of x squared minus 9x equal to 90 minus 2x. Now, divide both sides by 2. This gives us the square root of x squared minus 9x equal to 45 minus x. At this point, we square both sides again. The left-hand side becomes x squared minus 9x. On the right-hand side, we expand the square of 45 minus x. This gives us 2025 minus 90x plus x squared. Therefore, we have x squared minus 9x equal to 2025 minus 90x plus x squared. We can now cancel x squared from both sides. This leaves us with negative 9x equal to 2025 minus 90x, adding 90x to both sides gives us 81x equal to 2025. Finally, divide both sides by 81. Therefore, x is equal to 25. But before we conclude, it is important to verify our answer in the original equation, because squaring both sides can sometimes introduce extraneous solutions. And there you have it. We have successfully solved the radical equation by squaring both sides twice and then verifying our answer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.